Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel today. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I painted an old picture frame. The glass broke out of it, but I do want to use it and I want to find the replacement glass. But because now I have different decor, the frame was white and it just got really dirty over time. So I decided to paint over it. It's more like a spray paint. So that I can hang it up somewhere and it can match a little better and it won't look so dirty. I'm gonna show you how I did that, and also that video was filmed a while back, so you're gonna see like my Christmas tree and I'm gonna be wearing different clothes, and I hadn't filmed an intro video for it, so I'm doing that now. If you want to see what I did with the picture frame, just keep watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you can get notified whenever I upload a new video. Also, don't forget to like this video, and let's get into the video now. I have this old frame over here, which as you can see, it's dirty, it's old. This was supposed to be white and it doesn't match my decor, so I want to paint over it. I'm going to use this spray. It's this color actually, it's like rust gold toned. And I also have here some painter's tape, which I'm going to use that to cover up this piece right here because I'm going to paint both sides. So first I'm going to take the tape and I'm just going to cover up the hardware pieces. I'm actually going to reorganize my box because I realized I don't want anything to go on my couch. I'm just gonna do this side first, and all I'm gonna do is just shake the can and spray. Let that dry for a few minutes. All right, I'm gonna just apply maybe 2 coats. So that was the first one, and here's the second. I'm going to stand it up on the side. Works. Okay, so I grabbed some disposable gloves so that I can paint the sides because I have to hold it. It's best to just wait until it's dry, but I don't have another day to do this because today my kids aren't here, so I'd rather just, get this done. So I'm going to pick it up and just spray the sides now. want the top part to look nice. I don't really care so much about the back. I'm just gonna let it there to dry. I don't know how long you leave it to dry, but that's it. All right, so that is how I went about painting the picture frame, and this is what the finished product looks like. Yes, I added the picture of when I was pregnant with my first daughter, and that's my husband. It still has no glass because I have to get a glass, but this is basically what it looks like. And you'll see in the back, this is where I covered it with tape. That doesn't show. I just wanted to protect the hardware so that it wouldn't get stuck to the frame. That's why I covered it with tape. But basically, this is what it looks like. While I was filming the video, I was trying to figure out how long it takes to dry and, you know, other different things. But I realized after I filmed everything that it took, you know, on the bottle it says it takes 48 hours to fully dry. It did dry sort of after a few minutes where like I can touch it and it would just be sticky, but it wouldn't get on my fingers. So I was able to handle like painting it all over the sides and, you know, moving it to a different place to dry. But it didn't fully dry until after 48 hours. And now that it's dry, it feels completely different. It's not sticky. It just feels smooth. And I really like the way it turned out. It looks really nice. Way better than the white color that it had. And yeah, so that's what I did to paint this frame. So if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to leave me a comment down below and let me know what other things you want to see me paint, what other ideas for arts and crafts you might have, and I'll try to do them. And thank you guys for watching my video today, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.